yes, let's take that engine apart. This will be the final trial of our NGEN Technology, which shows the hardest races to test the new oil. Hi Henk.
Hi Dieter.
So this is the bike.
This is the bike.
And you just came back from Africa, right? So which rallies did you do with that particular bike and that particular engine?
This bike did from brand new. It did Morocco Rally 24. Then it did the Dakar Rally 25. And it did the Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge 25. First race World Championship. Do you remember when we told Willem that we're going to use engine 7 in his bike for Morocco and Dakar?
Yes.
His disbelief in the eyes, you know?
Absolutely, yeah, I remember well. So why don't we give him a call?
Yeah, call him. Yep. Good morning, Willem. How are you?
Good morning, great. A great morning here from South Africa.
I remember when I first informed you about the fact we're going to use engine, the new product, in your bike. There was some disbelief in your eyes. So how's the verdict now? How's the verdict now after all the race?
Absolutely blown away by it. You know, I was looking for a sustainable lubrication solution, something that is a little bit environmentally friendly at least. And stage 2 was a 48-hour chrono, so it meant that we had to ride for 2 days without a fan. So the bike got extremely hot. The oil performed flawlessly.
Yeah, and even it was also, as you mentioned, it was the 48-hour stage, so there was even no oil change at night. So you did 2 days with the oil.
Oil change, no,
so,
no.
Yeah.
I mean, we got back after stage 2. The technicians from Motul came and they took oil samples, and they came back and told us that they didn't even see any exceptional wear on there. Something that for me, going forward, I'd definitely be running engine for the next races. I'm really looking forward to it.
Fantastic.
Yeah, great.
Okay, thanks, Willem.
Thank you very much, Willem. After the call with Willem, we wanted to confirm his verdict. So we checked on the oil and ran an analysis. Hey Mark, I got the oil analysis report ready.
Okay, what about the wear levels?
Yeah, just look, as low as expected. And how was performance? What did the riders say?
Rock solid, no issues with the clutch, no issue with the engine. So everything as it should be.
Right. So now let's take the engine out, take it apart, and see how it looks inside. Yeah, so it's the moment of truth. This will be the final trial of our NGEN Technology, which shows the hardest races to test the new oil. Did the engine hold up? Yeah. Did engine deliver? Beyond expectations.
Break my stride.